Hi, it's Giselle Toner, and we are at the Eternity Yoga website. And these are the videos that I'm doing of my site. This page is Yoga Moves for Beginners, and I'm just going to scroll through. You can take a look. It's just an introduction to what you would know in reference to the beginner moves and things that would really be helpful for you. So I'm going to scroll through. Please make sure that you pause your video in order to read. Okay, so again, this was just some information that is going to be helpful for you when you first start out with your yoga practice. And I will see you on the next page.